Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you 3 writing tips that's going to make your sales copy sell more. By the way, if this is your first time coming on this channel, my name is Jesse and I make videos around copywriting and how to make money online through copywriting. Now, if this is your first time coming here, I will encourage you to take some time out to click on the subscribe button down below and also hit the bell notification button, because I'll be releasing videos that will help you improve your copywriting and also help you use those skills you have to make some money for yourself online. Now, it's just a means of encouraging me, so take some time out to click the bell notification button. And if at the end of this video I was able to thrill you, I would like you to share this video to your friends and your colleagues, those who are looking to make money online. Don't get the knowledge all by yourself. I have the knowledge, I'm trying to pass it down to others, so I will also expect you to share with others so that others can also learn. If probably they have the talent in copywriting, they'll also get to learn it and also use the skill to make money for themselves. So it's also a form of giving out to the society. Now, in this video, I would like to expose 3 things that makes your sales copy spectacular. Now, I want you to understand that if you want to be a copywriter, you have to be smart in writing, and it involves a whole lot of things, and that's why I've decided to open up these fairs of writing. Now, I want you to understand that what I'm about to show you is something that's going to make your sales copies blow. And if I mean blow, I mean make them sell like crazy. Now, one thing is that so many people don't understand the act of sales, and that's the reason why I'm making videos like this, to show you the strategies used in writing that will make your writing look so irresistible. The first one I'm going to talk about is problem. Yes, problem. Now, every sales copy has to be written with focus on the problem. What do I mean by focus on the problem? It all depends on who are your target audience. Your target audience, let's take for example, your target audience are realtors, or let's call them real estate agents. Now when you have a target audience that are real estate agents, your target is your target now is, how do I make a real estate agent like the product that I'm trying to sell to him? Is that not true? Now, the smartest way is to declare the problem. And what's the problem of every real estate agent? He wants to reach as much buyers as possible. That's the problem of every real estate agent. He wants to get to as much buyers as possible. His problem is not looking for sellers who have properties to sell. His problem is how to get as much buyers as possible. So your target is, how do I make this problem known to the target audience? Now we have a set target audience, which we have called the real estate agents. Now, how do we make these real estate agents understand that they have a challenge right now? Many of them have a challenge, but they've not identified their own challenge. So how do we make them understand that you have a problem and this problem needs to be addressed? So that's it. So you have to make the problem well known. Now, our key study here is a real estate agent. A real estate agent, his main focus is he wants to make more sales. He wants to sell more properties. He wants to sell more properties so that he can make more money. Now, your target is, how do I make this problem obvious to him? I have to tell him that you have not made sales over the last 2-3 months. Do you think it's usual? Do you think it's normal? Don't you think you need to reach as much people as possible? Don't you think you need to reach as much buyers as possible so your properties can sell better? I make the problem look obvious to him, and it will take me to the next point. Agitate. Now, when I say agitate, I mean make it more annoying. Make it more annoying to him. Now, I'll make it easy for you to understand. Now, are you a real estate agent? Take for example, are you a real estate agent? You've struggled over the last 3-4 months to get your business up to speed, but it seems like nothing is working. Your buyer seems to be running away from you. Literally, it seems like you just can't get a hold of any buyer who is ready to spend much money on your property. Yeah, I've made the problem known, right? Now let's agitate it through this example. Don't you think that the longer you stay without having anybody buy your properties, the poorer you get? Don't you think the longer you stay without having any property sold, the more hungry you get? Think about your children's school fees. Probably this is the first term of the year. This is probably second term in secondary school settings. Don't you think it's important that you have your kids' school fees ready? Don't you think it's important that your family doesn't go hungry? How long will you continue to struggle and struggle and struggle, all to no avail? Just maybe your rent could be up, probably expiring right now. How long do you think you're going to continue waiting on something that will likely not work? And in case of an emergency, how long are you going to continue like this, empty pocket every day, struggling left, right, and every single day you're looking and thinking of the next sale, where it's going to come from? You're living practically by faith. How long are you going to continue doing like this? This is agitating the problem. You're making it look so big. That's the human psychology there. You're going to make whoever is your target audience to say, yeah, I think it's actually getting out of hand. Yeah, I think I need to do something about this. And this brings me to the third point, which is solve the problem. Now, how do you solve this problem? You've agitated it. You've made him feel that his kids could be kicked out of school in the next few months. You've made him feel that his own personal rent could expire anytime and he has no money to pay. You've made him feel that life is actually going down for him. You've made him feel that if he doesn't make any effort right now, nothing will, like, he's going to literally be depressed. Yes, he's going to be depressed because of how the whole discouraging situation is going to pull him down. Now you've made him feel down already, right? You've made him feel down. All he's thinking of now is, what do I do to solve all these problems? And that takes you to the third point, which is providing a solution for him to solve his problem. Now you have a product. Your product is probably sell better. Sell better with these guru techniques. Sell more properties with these guru techniques, for example. Now, this product is to help real estate agents to sell better. Now, you tell him, if you struggled for this long, there's a tendency that you will keep struggling if you don't use sell better by whoever wrote the product. And then he's like, why should I consider this product? And what do? You begin to lay out all the benefits of the product, aligning those benefits with his current needs. We all know his needs. We all know the needs of every real estate agent. He wants to sell more. How can you sell more? All the benefits of that product are pushed on his face or her face or whoever it is, pushed on their face for them to understand how important this product is to their current need and how this product can solve their problem. That is the technique you use in getting the target to consider your product. And when I say aligning those benefits with their current needs, I don't mean pouring out the benefits out on the table. For example, this product will help you hit 1,000 sales in 2 days. Yeah, it doesn't sound really possible. But how about this? This product shows you the exact platform where you can post your properties and get maximum exposure. How about that? Now you've been able to give the buyer a very realistic solution to his problem. Now he's able to align it with his current needs, and you will discover that it gets easier to take action. Now, if at the end of your sales letter you say, okay, take action, click here to take action, you discover that you have more sales. You have more sales. Now, if you're able to merge these 3 points, your problem, agitating the problem, and then solving it by bringing out a useful solution, your sales copies will sell like crazy. And I'm not joking here. These are strategies I've used over the last few years, and they've been bringing in so much testimonials. So whatever I'm telling you on this channel, I'm not telling you to just go try it out, or it might or may not work. No, I'm giving you strategies that are going to definitely work for you in every copy you're writing. So that's it. So if you enjoyed this video, I would like you to take some time out again, this is just a reminder. Please take some time out to encourage me by clicking the like button on this video, then subscribing to it, hit the bell notification button so that you get to know whenever I release another video. So I would like to send the first 20 to 25 people that will comment on this video. I would like to send them a free sample to give you an idea of what I'm talking about. Now, if you've watched this video to this point, I would like you to write on the description, I want the sample. Right? I want the sample. That's what I want you to comment under this on the comment section. I want the sample, and then I'll send you a link of how you can download the sample so that you can get it and then use it to improve your writing, to get yourself up to speed. 2022 is moving on a very fast lane, and you have to get your writing on the fast lane too. So until next time, once again, please like the video, please share, please comment. I would like to see so much comments on this video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, cheers.